Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2023 Kia Seltos maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the menu button, the up and down, and the up and down button is also a select button, so you can press on it. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. And if you have to push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. As you can see, this particular car has 3,000 miles. We just did an oil change on it. And now we're going to go ahead and press that menu button. Just keep pressing it until you find the user setting. Now once you get here, go ahead and use the scroller and scroll down to service interval. Go ahead and enter on it, and go ahead and press the enter button and hold it for approximately, say, I would say it's 5 seconds. There. As you can see, reset time and distance. Go ahead and click on the yes with the enter button. And there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.